domestic animal. Everyone likes to keep pet dogs in their houses. It is said that a dog is a man's best friend because a dog is a faithful animal. It has sharp mind and a strong sense of hearing and smelling things. A dog can see what we can't see in the night.